Nice to meet you. My name is Jules Masson. I'm from Delair Drone Company. We are manufacturing drones since now 13 years in Toulouse, especially fixed-wing drone dedicated for BVLOS mission. So the objective with YellowScan was to integrate the Voyager into the DT46, which is our new drone produced by Delair and released last year. This drone has a huge autonomy capability. We're talking about 4 hours and a half of flight with catapult takeoff and 2 hours and a half of flight with VTOL. So you can easily swap from VTOL configuration to fixed-wing one. Also, one thing important to mention is that we have a direct communication range C2 up to 100 kilometers, and above this we are proposing 3G and 4G double band communication. So the DT46 LiDAR is integrating the Voyager 50 plus its 61 megapixel camera module from YellowScan. We are super happy to integrate this sensor into our drone, which is dedicated for large-scale mapping projects. The YellowScan Voyager was the good candidate because it's super precise and can be operated at high flight height, as our drone can be too. So main advantages on this combination is raising the productivity of the mapped surface by day. We're talking here at 200 meters, about 1,320 hectares mapped per hour. So yeah, the main idea was to really propose a solution that can permit you to map large scale in one day. We're talking about like 4,000 hectares by flight. So it's enormous. So this solution is recommended for pre-construction studies. Can be for highways, can be for power grid infrastructures. So everything related to the needs of having a super precise model, digital model of the ground, and also digital model of every surfaces. Can be also recommended for the preventive maintenance of the power grid networks and all the different types of vegetation works.